Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Ikram Qureshi.
In this video, we are going to learn lesson number 21 Arabic alphabet. In this video, we are going to learn one Arabic alphabet and the Arabic words that start with that Arabic alphabet. इस वीडियो में हम एक अरबिक अल्फ़ाबेट को पढ़ेंगे और अरबिक वर्ड्स को पढ़ेंगे जो उस अरबिक अल्फ़ाबेट से स्टार्ट हो रहे होंगे. First of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and give thumbs up. Okay, are you remember this word? This is Meem. This is Meem. Now we will learn this word with vowel signs. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Meem fatha ma, Meem damamu, Meem kasra mi. Now try to read together. Ma, mu, mi. Okay, now we will learn Arabic words that start with this Arabic letter. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. The first one, masjid. Let's repeat. Masjid, mosque. Let's repeat. Masjid, mosque. Okay, the next one, masna, factory. Let's repeat. Masna, factory. Okay, the next one, mouse, banana. Let's repeat. Mouse, banana. Banana mean kela. Okay, the next one, madrasa, school. Let's repeat. Madrasa, school. Okay, the next one, manzil, house. Let's repeat. Manzil, home. Manzil, gar. Okay, the next one, muka'ab, cube. Let's repeat. Muka'ab, cube. Okay, the next one, muhandis, engineer. Let's repeat. Muhandis, engineer. Muhandis, engineer. Okay, the next one, miftah, key. Let's repeat. Miftah, key. Key mean chabi. Congratulations, we have completed this lesson. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz wa da'a araka qariban. Goodbye. See you soon.